Hello children. So in the last class we had completed up to sugarcane, that is food crops other than grain. Okay. So today we will continue the chapter. Our next topic is oil seed. Okay, that is a food crop other than grain. It is oil seed. Okay. So what is oil seed? The seeds which give us the oil. Okay. If you see Indians, that is India's cropping area. So from that total cropping area, 12% areas, that is variety of oil crops, are grown on about 12% areas. Okay. Also, India is the second largest producer of the oil seeds. Yes, variety of oil seeds are produced in our country, and the major oil seeds are groundnut, mustard, coconut, okay, soya bean, etc. Out of these, if we talk about groundnut, so bacha, groundnut is a kharif crop, okay, and 50% of all the oil seeds which are produced, that is उसमें groundnut आता है in that 50%. Okay, major producer of groundnut is Gujarat, and other states are also there like Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, etc. But Gujarat is the major, okay, out of these. And sesame and castor are kharif crops and rabi crops both. Okay, linseed and mustard are rabi crops. So these questions may be come in 1 marks. Okay, that is what are kharif crops, or name 2 kharif crops, name 2 rabi crops and all. Okay, now where these oils are used, that is this linseed, mustard, whatever it is, oils are, that is we are using different types of oils. Where these oils are used? Actually everywhere, isn't it? It is used for cooking. Some people use it like body lotion. Okay, some use it as face cream. In cosmetics and all, oil is used, isn't it? Soap, ointments, oil is there. Okay, so in each and every product what we are using, oil is used there. Okay, now comes beverage crop. Okay, beverage crops, that is, what is beverage? Okay, it is not mentioned in your NCERT what is beverage. So anything that you drink other than water, okay, that is other than water, would be termed as beverage. So some important beverage crops are tea and coffee, and India is actually one of the leading producer of tea and coffee, isn't it? So tea was introduced, that is tea plantation. Plantation crop means that you had already learned, that is the crops that are grown in large area and their single crop is grown. Okay, so tea was introduced as a plantation crop in India by the Britishers. And why they had introduced? Because Britishers like tea very much, है ना? They used to love drinking tea and they still do it, and all the production goes to India. Okay, now also we are exporting also. And if we talk about climate, then tropical climate is preferable, but in subtropical condition also tea is grown, or tea grows there also. Okay, and which type of soil it needs? It needs fertile and well drained soil. Yes, it needs humus content also, and it needs vast climate but moist free. Okay.